Hello guys, welcome to SOP Academy. We post regular job updates and internship opportunities from IT and software companies. So there are 4 new job openings. The first one is from Zoho Careers. They are looking to hire for full stack Java developer. Second one is from Hyundai. They are looking to hire for software development fresher. Third one is Magnitude. They are hiring associate software engineer. And the last one, TIA. They are looking to hire for trainee for client services. So first we will look at all the eligibility criteria, job location, skills required, and all the other essential details. So first let us start with Zoho. So the role they are offering is full stack Java developer. The experience required is 0 to 3 years. So people up to 3 years of experience can also apply. Here are the requirements. Knowledge of full stack or any similar role. You must have knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, XML, jQuery, that is front-end languages. You must have knowledge of Java, databases and UI UX design. Then communication and teamwork skills is essential. Then organization skills, analytical mind. You must have problem solving skills, knowledge of object-oriented programming and RESTful APIs. So these are the requirements. There is a note they have written here, that is shortlisted candidates will be intimated through the mail for further assessment. Here is the form: name, mobile number, email address, department, and all the other details. Work experience, you can click on this. You can choose 0 if you are a fresher, or the number of experience if you are experienced candidate. Then at last you will attach your resume here and click on the submit button. Now let us look at the second opening. The second opening is from Hyundai Motors. So they are hiring software development fresher. So the job title is software engineer trainee. The experience required is 0 years, that is a fresher. Job location is going to be Hyderabad. So the job description has been given here. You will have 3 years agreement here in this company. The selection process: first will be written test on embedded. Schedule will be sent to you via mail. Second will be a technical interview. Third will be an HR interview, and last will be an HOD interview. CTC will be 3,70,000 during the trainee, plus they will increase after you will become a full-time employee. Plus there will be other benefits like food, transport and medical insurance. The key skills required are embedded and C language. The desired candidate profile: you need to have BTech from ECE or EEE. Skill set: C language you must know, and embedded. The pass out batch of 2020 and 21 are eligible. You must have at least 70% in your 10th, 12th and graduation, and no backlogs in your BTech or any semesters, and 1 year gap is allowed in your education. So this is a good opportunity. Third opportunity is from Magnitude. They are hiring associate software engineer for Bengaluru, Karnataka location. So the responsibilities include design, development and troubleshooting and debugging software programs, and you will be have understanding of SDLC, software development life cycle, then troubleshooting and debugging skills, and designing infrastructure technology platforms including operating systems and high performance data drivers related technologies in the data domain. So the mandatory skills are C++ or Java and knowledge of SQL and debugging abilities. These are the optional skills you need, like test automation, Jira, CI or CD. So these are not essential but optional. The minimum qualification required is BS degree in computer science or similar technical field, and 0 to 1 year of experience in one or more general purpose programming languages that were mentioned above. So if you have done project also, then that will also be counted here. Excellent proficiency and communication skills in verbal as well as written English. So this is the apply button here. You can apply. The fourth company is TIA. They are hiring trainees for client services. So the location they are providing is Mumbai. Let us look at the key responsibilities. You have to support trust administration activities like scheduling, travel arrangement and accounts payable invoices, follow up and document customer inquiries, organize and maintain schedules and appointments, and maintain confidential information of your business partners. The requirements are high, you have to have 0 years of experience, that is freshers are eligible, and the preferred education background is if you have high school, if you have studied till high school, then you are eligible for this post. The requirements are sedentary work, that is it will be an office work. So here is the apply button, you can apply to this drive. So if any of these job roles interest you and match your skills, then you can apply using the link provided in the description, and give this video a like if you found it useful. Thank you very much.